Hey crafters, welcome to another episode of Craft Hits, and today we are going to be sculpting a pumpkin fridge magnet from air dry clay. So I'm just kind of doing this from scratch. I'm just going to make the general shape of a pumpkin, flatten it out, and then put a fridge magnet in it. I do hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I think I'm going to do this more of as a time lapse. But if you do enjoy, please do consider hitting that like button. I really do appreciate it, and it really does help out with the algorithm. Thank you. Alright, so everything is fully dried out, as you can see, and I think this is actually going to make a really good fridge magnet. I do have to make note, originally at the start of the video you saw me putting only one magnet in here. I had to add these other two magnets because this clay is a little bit too heavy, heavier than I thought it was going to be, so it wasn't going to be able to support its own weight. But I did in fact add two more magnets, as you can see here. It's pretty straightforward. It was a pretty straightforward and easy process to do that, so I didn't really record that, but that's the only thing that I had to make note. But I like how this turned out. It's got a nice little 3D. It's got a nice little 3D texture, and I think this is pretty cool. I'm gonna put this on the fridge, and I think I might make more just like it, because it was pretty simple and pretty fun. I could probably wipe the little bit of clay there off some of these magnets, but that's no big deal. But I do hope that you guys have enjoyed this episode, and if you have, please do hit that like button and subscribe. I really do appreciate it, and it really does help out with the algorithm and everything. And if you want to make your own clay projects, I have everything linked out in the description below through my Amazon affiliate links. You can see what else I use for that. And if there's any other projects you'd like to see me make, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. But as always, hope you all have a wonderful day.